In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker to Tradingview. This is a crucial step, especially if you're looking to streamline your trading process and maximize the functionalities offered by Tradingview. By having your broker linked, you can execute trades directly from Tradingview, analyze your trades with greater ease, and keep everything organized in one place. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Tradingview account. Make sure your account details, like your username and password, are at hand. Once you're logged in, head over to the bottom right corner of the page where you'll find a tab labeled Trading Panel. This is your hub for accessing various brokers. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all available broker options that Tradingview can connect with. Look for your broker in this list. If you find it, simply click on it to proceed. However, if your broker isn't listed, unfortunately, you won't be able to directly connect it at this point. But don't worry, Tradingview is always adding new partners, so it's worth checking back regularly for updates. If your broker is listed, the next step is to click on the Connect button next to your broker's name. This action will prompt a login interface specific to your broker. Enter your trading account credentials here. These are typically provided by your broker when you create your brokerage account. Make sure you enter these details correctly, as incorrect information will prevent a successful connection. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button. You'll likely see a confirmation or a notification indicating that your trading account is now connected to Tradingview. It's a good idea to run a quick check to ensure everything is working fine. Go back to the trading panel on Tradingview. You should now see your broker's name or logo indicating an active connection. If this is your first time connecting, take a moment to familiarize yourself with any additional features your broker might offer through Tradingview. This could include tools for more sophisticated trading or improved chart analysis. Remember, having your broker connected to Tradingview is a powerful way to enhance your trading activities. It consolidates your information and streamlines your workflow, all in one accessible location. If you encounter any issues during this process, double-check your credentials and ensure you're using the correct account. Alternatively, reach out to your broker's customer support for assistance. Thanks for following along with me today. I hope you found this guide on connecting your broker to Tradingview both informative and helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most out of your Tradingview experience. Happy trading!